These ones na how when they go direct. So very soon, person go get small fish farm. Na just 3,000 capacity. Small tarpaulins. These tarpaulins are very okay. They call am first quality Korean, not be anyhow one. You know, say they get low tarpaulin too. The ones wey not strong reach like this. But if you want make your tarpaulin last, buy stronger one. Better strong one. All these things are going to harbor. We don already arrange the farm. We don't do the borehole. They don't fence the small place with just barbed wire. So na for us to set am for am. If we set the tarpaulin for am, we tell am things to do. You know, say now to set up farm for this present Nigeria, e no dey easy. If we dey talk am say if you wan go into fish farming, you need to think about it. As far as you're starting from scratch, e go cost you money. This particular space, na im get am normally, but they have not done anything. So the guy dey start from scratch. There is no borehole. Na we drill borehole for am. This fence you're seeing, there is nothing like this. So now we advise am, instead of to dey cost am much, make e just do dual fence, then use barbed wire complete am. This way the place go dey a little bit secured. This depends on your environment, but e go dey bit secured for am, and im go fit tidy in small fish farm here. If you're setting up a farm, make sure you're working with budget. E dey costly now. That is just the truth. Whether small, whether big, this is just 3,000 fish for now. So when we get there, they never level the ground. They suppose don't level this ground before we come, but we meet them, they level the ground because you are digging a pit inside our farm. There is no place to channel water to, so we want organize small pit where we not go fit plaster or do block work. The wastewater go dey come there. With time e go dry, we go see dey put, but then we go still make alternative, say the water go dey go for the farm, you know, that kind of a thing. So they never level the ground finish since they are digging the pit. So all we needed to do is set up this tarpaulin. If we set am up, we shift and go one side, level the ground. We go bring plumber, we go do the inlet, because already this tarpaulin dey carry outlet, you get. So now the pit be this way that they dig. It's just like you know, kind of soccer way, but no blocks work, no plastering, no decking, just like this. So after we don't set up our stuff, we shift and go one side, level the ground. It's 3 ponds. One is 8 by 20, 10 by 10, 10 by 15. This one go carry 3,000 fish to grow out. So if you want to set up your own farm, all you need to do is make sure you have someone guiding you, so that you no go make some kind mistake or waste money where you no supposed to put money, go dey put money there. Now why would they always tell you get someone to help you? Unless you have the idea, you can decide to do it yourself.